Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to fix Canon 2004 IR machine error E000-0000. I am going to show you how to fix this. Home button, press reset button plus back button, home button. Okay, reset, back and home. This is our service mode. Now select here copier. Now select here function. Now select here clear. Now select here all. After this, press start button. Okay, executing. Now press error. Now press start button. After this step, press back button to now you see error is shown. Power off machine and power on once again. Okay. Now you see printer is ready to use. Select here language. Complete this all steps. Okay. Set date and time. After this, now printer is ready to use. Now you check on its display. Printer is ready to use. Thank you for watching me.